These figures are early morning today. We are saying 1 p.m. because we are meeting with you at 4. So 2 crore 56 lakh doses have been administered across the country, and we have given you the disaggregated data of how many 60 years and plus, how many healthcare workers first dose, how many healthcare workers second dose, how many frontline workers first and second dose. Now this is a comparison which is quite interesting. Till yesterday, we had completed 53 days of vaccine administration in India. So we are giving you figures from our world in data, not our website, international website, of the first 53 days performance of all countries. So US in the first 53 days, and please remember, which is not shown here in the slide, that United States of America started their vaccination on 14th of December, more than a month prior to our start, which was on 16th of January. So US has had administered 3 crore 68 lakh vaccine doses in the first 53 days. What is their number today? We will show you in course of this presentation. India in the first 53 days, 2 crore 56 lakh. Brazil, 1 crore 13 lakh. Brazil is important because they started a day after we did. We started our vaccination on 16th of January. Brazil started it on 17th of January. Turkey has done 1 crore. UK, they started their vaccination on 8th of December. Even before USA started the COVID-19 vaccination, UK had started. And their figure in first 53 days was 94 lakhs. They have picked up subsequently. There are other countries also in the slide. I would not dwell on them because most of these numbers are shared with you. What is the cumulative number today? As we talk to you, again this is from our world in data. When we talk to you today, United States of America has done 9 crore 36 lakh vaccinations. India has done 2 crore 43 lakh vaccinations. This number has obviously increased. United Kingdom has done 2 crore 37 lakh vaccinations. Brazil has done 1 crore, and so on and so forth. So we have shown you what was the performance of all countries of the world in the first 53 days and what is the performance of all countries of the world today in COVID-19 vaccination. This, I think, addresses the question that we have not ramped up sufficiently. In fact, from 4th of March, when we did 10 lakh vaccinations in 24 hours, on 8th of March, in 4 days, we achieved 20 lakh vaccinations in 24 hours. So if that is not acceleration, then what is? This is very important. Acceleration has been achieved with active collaboration of private sector facilities. So if we look at this 2.5 crore doses which have been administered in our country till date, you will find that 71% of these doses have been administered in public health facilities. These are government hospitals. They could be PHCs, they could be health sub-centers, CHCs, subdivisional hospitals, district hospitals, medical college hospitals, so on and so forth. And 28.77, almost 29%, has been contributed by private facilities. So which are these private facilities? They are all private hospitals which are empaneled in Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. They are also all the private hospitals which are empaneled under Central Government Health Scheme, CGHS. They are also all the private hospitals that are empaneled under state government's health insurance schemes. These are state government's own schemes. In addition, in Odisha, in Delhi, in Telangana, in Maharashtra, they also include such private facilities which are not covered in the earlier 3 categories that I just explained to you. And based on specific recommendation of the state governments, we have permitted those facilities also, because they have adequate number of space, adequate number of cold chain, adequate number of vaccinators, and adequate arrangement to address adverse events following immunization. So therefore, our doors are open to all private facilities. We have made our system so flexible that those private facilities which have the capacity, they can do COVID-19 vaccination 24 hours, all 7 days of the week. Whereas for state government hospitals, the advice is that they should do it minimum 4 days in a week. Why? Because they have to do other work also. They cannot shut their door to non-COVID essential health services and do only COVID vaccination. So therefore, public facilities do it minimum 4 days in a week, maximum they also do it 6 days a week, whereas private hospitals have been given the leeway to do it 7 days a week, 24/7, depending on assessment of their capacities that is done by the state government. Okay, so when we say 28.77% doses have been administered in private facilities, which are the states which are logging a performance which is below the national average in terms of participation of health facilities, private health facilities? They are Andaman and Nicobar, which is understandable. It does not have private hospitals. Lakshadweep, which is again understandable, Arunachal Pradesh, then Sikkim, where private hospitals account for 7.8%, Tripura, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, West Bengal 13%, Bihar 16%, Jharkhand 17%, Andhra Pradesh 18%, Rajasthan 18%, Assam 20%, Chhattisgarh 20%, Odisha 20%, Meghalaya 21%, and Gujarat almost 25%. So these are states where we have requested that the participation of the private sector hospitals need to be scaled up. Okay, so this is something that we share with you on a regular basis. So today there are 13 states and UTs which have given second dose to more than 80% of all eligible healthcare workers. There are 2, Daman and Diu and Nagaland, which have achieved 100% coverage. There are 8 states and UTs which have administered second dose to more than 60% of the eligible frontline workers. Here also, Puducherry has done 100, and there are others who are between 60 and 100. Some of our colleagues had said that we are no longer sharing the adverse event following immunization. We were not sharing this data because this was so minuscule that it is absolutely insignificant. But since you had demanded, so here we are. AEFIs which have been reported so far are 0.020% of the total immunizations which have been done. Hospitalization, they are 0.00025%. This is almost a surrogate for 0. So, but we thought that this must also be brought in the public domain.